You're welcome here. I really appreciate your time with me here. Let's solve these questions together. Here is question 8, WAEC June 2023. And the question said, factorize completely x squared minus into bracket x plus z squared. Right. How can we factorize this completely? So the first thing that we need to do is that we say let p equal to y plus z. Right. We use p to represent this. All square be equal to s square minus p square. Right. Remember that if we have a square minus b square, that should be equal to a plus b into bracket a minus b. Right. So let's apply that here. So this now can rewrite as this, which is equal to x plus p, right, into bracket x minus p. Right. Let's substitute now y plus z for p. As we said here, let p be equal to this. So let's replace it back. Right. So it will be equal to this bracket x plus y plus z into bracket x minus and into bracket plus z. Right, p, and replace it with x plus z. Now it will be equal to this when we open this bracket. Right, we open the square bracket and we open this bracket here. To this bracket x minus y, which is minus times y, we have minus y, minus times plus, we have minus negative z. Right. So we look at this now, that this, it will be equal to this. Right. So among the options that we have, which one is the right option? We see that option B is the right option. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching.